Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. I did a total of 2 transactions. I did an online pickup order, and then I also did an in-store transaction. These deals started today, which is August 8th, and they are good up until Saturday, August 14th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start with my online deal that I did. And I have 3 of the Crest Scope mouthwashes, the 16.9 ounce 2-degree motion sense deodorants, and then 2 of the Axe body spray deodorants. On this transaction, you guys, I did have a digital booster get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So I did use that on this transaction. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Crest Scope mouthwash. So I purchased a total of 3 of these, and they are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So I purchased 3 at $3. That brought my total to $9. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9 minus the $5 digital coupon brought my total down to just $4. And because I purchased at least 2, I did get back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making all 3 of the Crest Scope mouthwash completely free. And then right here, I have 2 of the Degree Motion Sense deodorants. And these are priced online at Walgreens for $5.49. I purchased a total of 2. So $5.49 times 2 is $10.98. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So with using that digital coupon, it took off a total of $5.49. So $10.98 minus that $5.49, that brought the total down to just $5.49 for the both of these. And then with the Axe body spray deodorants, those are priced online at $6.49. I purchased 2, so $6.49 times 2 is $12.98. We also have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens for the Axe as well. And with using that digital coupon, it took off $6.49. So $12.98 minus the $6.49 digital coupon brought the total down to just $6.49 for the both of these. Now the deal with these is that when you spend $20, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cashback. And then we also have IBOTTA rebate offers. So with just all 4 of these, my grand total came out to be $23.96. I used a total of $11.98 in digital coupons. I used $5.49 for the Degree and $6.49 for the Axe. So $23.96 minus the $11.98 that I used in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $11.98. And then on this transaction, you guys, sorry, I don't know what is wrong with my throat. On this transaction, I also used a pickup code, and the code is USEPICKUP10. And with using that code, it took off an additional $1.20. So $11.98 minus that $1.20, that brought my total down to $10.78. Then when you spend $20, you will receive $5 back in Walgreens cash rewards. I spent $23.96, so I did receive that $5 back. So $10.78 minus the $5 that I received back, that brought my total down to just $5.78. Then if you check IBOTTA, IBOTTA has a rebate for the Degree Motion Sense deodorant. It's for $1. The limit is 5. I purchased 2, so I did get back $2 for these. Now there is also an Axe deodorant rebates. The Axe that I purchased online, those were the ones that qualified for the rebate. I noticed that they gave me different ones. So because these are different than the ones that I actually ordered, it prevented me from getting my IBOTTA rebate. But the IBOTTA rebate for the Axe deodorant is $1 as well. I should have gotten back a total of $4. 2 for the Motion Sense and then 2 from the Axe. But because they gave me different ones than I ordered, I missed out on $2. So make sure on the IBOTTA rebate, the ounces are from 2.7 to 3 ounce. This one here, these ones are 4 ounce. So make sure that you are getting the 2.7 to 3 ounce. That is the only one that will accept on the IBOTTA rebates. So I only got back $2. So $5.78 minus the $2 that I got back from IBOTTA, brought my total down to just $3.78 for all four of these, or it makes each one just 94 cents. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. Oh, wrong one. So the Crest, all three of the Crest rung up at $3, so $9 total. The Axe body wash, they did ring up at, the Axe body wash did ring up at $6.49 times 2. The Degree did ring up at $5.49 times 2. The price is a little bit different because of the pickup code that I used. So as you can see, my $6.49 came off of the Axe, $5.49 for the Degree, and my $5 digital for the Crest brought my grand total to $14.78. In Walgreens cash rewards, I got back a total of $14.31. So I got back $5 for spending $20 on the Degree in the X. I got back $5 for spending $20, and that is with the digital booster. I got back my $4 for purchasing 2 of the Scope mouthwash. And then I got back, and that's all that I got back from, and then I also got some extra points from Walgreens. So that's a total of $14.31. Then I got back my $2 from IBOTTA. So that was a total of $16.31 that I got back. So again, I paid $14.78 out of pocket, and I got back a total of $16.31. So that made this transaction completely free, plus a $1.53 moneymaker, which is really, really good. And then in my second transaction, I grabbed some Colgate toothpaste, all laundry detergent, Palmolive dish soap, Oral-B toothbrushes, and some Tide liquid. So with the Colgate is priced at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So you will purchase 2 at $2.99, and that will bring your total to $5.98. We do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. No, actually, I'm so sorry, you guys. Actually, when you buy 2, you will receive $3 in Walgreens cash, not $4. That's another Colgate deal. So $5.98 minus the $4 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just $1.98. And since I purchased 2, I did receive back my $3 in Walgreens cash rewards, making both of the toothpaste completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. No coupons for the Palmolive dish soap, so that is just priced at 99 cents. And then I wasn't going to grab the all laundry detergent. I was actually going to grab a package of Tide Pods, but my store was completely out. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the all laundry detergents, and they are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. And when you buy 1, you will receive $1 in Walgreens cash rewards, making them just $1.99. Now, there are some coupons out for these. Unfortunately for me, I didn't have any of the coupons, so I was not able to participate in that. But you can still get these for $1.99 when you receive that Walgreens cash rewards back. And then with the Oral-B toothbrushes, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of those, and they are priced at Walgreens this week for $3 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards back. So I purchased 3 at $3, and that brought my total to $9. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using the app, that brought my total down to just $4. And because I purchased at least 2, I did receive back $4 in Walgreens cash, making those toothbrushes completely free. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed my Tide liquid laundry detergent, which is priced at $4.99. I printed a $2 printable coupon from the PG Good Everyday website, making the Tide laundry detergent just $2.99. And then on this transaction, I did have a digital booster get $3 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. So here's my receipt. My Tide rung up at $4.99, Palmolive at 99 cents. Both of my all laundry detergents at $2.99, so $5.98. Both of my Colgate at $2.99, so $5.98. And then all 3 of my Oral-B toothbrushes at $3, so $9 total. My $2 digital came off for the Tide, $5 digital for the Oral-B, $4 digital for the Colgate. The only issue that I had is that I did not get my $4 in Walgreens cash back from purchasing my Oral-B toothbrushes. I did contact customer service, and they did go ahead and credit that to my account. And instead of them crediting me $4, they actually gave me an extra $1. So they gave me a total of $5. So as you guys can see, my total came out to be $15.94. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for that so that I did not have to use any money out of my pocket. And earned this visit, I did earn back $8.26. So again, I paid $15.94 out of pocket. I got back $8.26 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $15.94 minus the $8.26 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards. That brought my total down to just $7.68. And then customer service did credit my account because of me not receiving the $4 for the Oral-B, and they did give me $5. So $7.68 minus the $5 from customer service brought my total down to just $2.68 for this transaction. But remember, in my first transaction, it was free plus a $153 moneymaker. So if you say $2.68 that I paid for this transaction minus the $153 that was a moneymaker in my first transaction, that brings the total down to $1.15 for every last one of these items. So instead of me paying $2.68, since I minus that $153 from the $2.68, it brought it down to $1.15. So I paid $1.15 for all of these items right here. Of course, my goal is always free, but I was not able to do that this time. But I am happy. Paying $1.15 from this is an amazing deal. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit both of my receipts, and I didn't have any qualified items, but I did get 25 points per receipt just for scanning those receipts. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. Again, that is going to be it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.